Hey everybody, we've got lots of Blaze and the Monster Machines toys. We've already done a video of this cool traction Blaze. He drives and balances. Woohoo! Go Blaze! Let's try that one more time. Watch how he balances. Good job! And we unboxed Blaze and Stripes. And you can change these around, and it is so much fun. So check out that cool video. Bye, Blaze! I stuck! Here you go, bud. Bye! And then we had the really neat tune-up tires Blaze. And you can take off his chicken feathers. Whoa, too cool! You can pop them back on like that. And he's got his little garage where he keeps his other tires and his engine. But today we're going to be unboxing all of these cool Blaze toys. Look at this. It's the Slam and Go Rhino Blaze. He's going to race with rhino powers. Whoa. Whoa! That is so cool! From Animal Island. And he's gonna race Slam and Go Stripes. And over here we've got Jungle Cat Stripes. Whoa! And Darrington. And they're gonna all race. Who is faster? I can't wait to find out. Plus we have some new die-cast cars from Animal Island. It's a zebra truck. And we're going to unbox all of these cool monster trucks. Really soon, we're going to be doing a video of the Axle City truck wash. And this is from Mega Bloks. And we're going to put it together and give Blaze a truck wash. So you can use the gears. And it's going to be really, really fun. So keep an eye out for this video. I'll be really excited to share it with you. We've done this one, and we've done this one, and we've done this one. And now it's time for the truck wash. Woohoo! So let's start unboxing. First up, let's unbox all of our die-cast monster trucks. We're going to get Zebra Truck out. Look at this. It's the Zebra Truck from Animal Island. Whoa! That zebra is fast. He's got some awesome animal powers. And over here we've got the Rhino Truck. Just like Blaze turns into a rhino. Whoa! I love these animals. Look at that cool rhinoceros. We were just at the zoo a couple days ago, and we got to see a rhino. They are so big. Wow! And you know what else we saw at the zoo? We saw elephants. We had so much fun looking at the elephants. One was even playing with a bucket. And here is our monster truck, Elephant. Whoa, he's got blue ears and blue tires. That is one cool elephant. Whoa, these animals are so fast. Whoa, he's doing a flip. All right, let's go ahead and get some